Hi guys! I've been on the lookout for a happy planner for weeks now and I couldn't find them anywhere. I searched Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart even, Joann's, nowhere. On eBay. They were originally available on eBay and I'm like, I don't want to pay that much because they weren't half price at Michael's, but the problem was they weren't at any of the Michael's. And then I found one at Mardell and I bought it and I got it like half off, but when I started looking at it, the days of the week, Sunday was at the beginning of the vertical spread and Saturday was at the end, and I really like having the weekend together. That's real important to me, and I didn't want to have to cover it up every single week. So I returned that one to Mardell, and I actually found that Oriental Trading Company has a lot of happy planner stuff. They have for a couple of weeks now. Took a while to get my package because it got misdirected, but I have it now. I did have to pay full price. It was like $29 for the kit, but I'm going to use it all year and I'm really excited about it. It's got a Bible verse on the front. It's called Faith and it's undated. I think they came out with this a couple of years ago and I just wanted to share the unboxing with you. I also got this roller stamp and it has these phrases and I thought that would be super fun. I'm trying to collect little roller stamps because my dad gave me a stamp holder. He actually gave me a couple of stamp holders, and right now I have glitter glue in it, which is good for glitter glue because you should keep it upside down. But these were at his work. He worked for Kodak, and when they shut down the Dallas branch, he got some office supplies that they were throwing out. And this was really cool. And I have one stamp that says scanned, because I sometimes scan stuff into my computer. And so now I'm going to have this little guide to add to it. I saw Janet on Crafting It Up in Creations. She had hauled some roller stamps from the $2 bin at Michael's, but all they have is wooden stamps at my Michael's. They didn't have the rollers, because I went to like 2 different Michael's looking for those. But anyway, so now I've got another little stamp to add to my thing here, and so I'm excited about that. Okay, now let's take a look at the planner. So after I ordered this one, actually Oriental Trading Company got a lot more happy planner stuff on their website. So if you also are having trouble finding a happy planner, you might want to check out Oriental Trading Company. So it comes with a pin. Let's try this pin out. Seems like a pretty good pen. That's glossy, so it didn't work too well on there. Has a good feel. And stickers. So it's undated, so it came with these month stickers. That's cute, but first, God, look, it looks a little bit distressed there. I think that's just because maybe this has been on a shelf for like 2 years. I don't mind though. Those are really pretty. So I was thinking this may be like a good prayer journal or Bible study type planner for me to use. There's the days of the week and the months. So got everything I need to date it. Can start it whenever I want. And this is just empty. So this is neat. It comes with a magnetic bookmark. It's kind of glued on right now, but it's a magnetic bookmark and some little page flags. Grateful today and rejoice. Okay, this is neat. Okay, I really like this. It's got a place to write this month's prayer list. Meditating on, rejoicing in, blessed by, where my heart is, trusting God in, finding hope in, listening to be patient with, verse of the month, area where I need extra help, asking God for courage to, spiritual goals, and grateful for, and birthdays. I never ever used that page in other journals, but in this one, considering what's on here, I am going to use this. That's neat. Okay, so let's look at the dividers. He restoreth my soul, 23rd Psalm. Here's an example of the undated month. Yes, vertical layout. The weekend is together. So excited. Place for notes. It doesn't have the calendar up here, but that's okay with me because I never used it. I would often cover it up. Okay, this is going to be the same every month, just different color scheme and design at the top. First Thessalonians 5:17. Oh, look how pretty this one is. Faith in God includes faith in His timing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, everybody needs that one, don't they? Act justly, love mercy, walk humbly. Micah 6:8. Plow deep, pray hard, prepare for rain. That's neat. Hosea 10:12. Daughter of the King. For I know the plans I have for you. We have this hope as an anchor for the soul. That's beautiful. Maybe I can lay my months out so that this is in the summertime. Because, let's see what this would be. I'm not going to start, with January at the beginning. I'll figure it out. What I may do is I may rearrange things, like put the front things at the back if they seem more suitable to January, February. This seems definitely summery. Grace Upon Grace, that's like the cover, except a little different. The flowers are different. All things work together for good to them that love God and are called according to His purpose. That's lovely. Oh, wow, okay. My grace is sufficient for thee. Alrighty. I guess I know that, even though sometimes I feel overwhelmed. Anyway, so that is... Oh, and there's more. What is this? Oh, okay. So it looks like the back of the last page just says rejoice. That's kind of neat. So that is it. That is the Faith Happy Planner Kit. Here's the other side of the box. It's called a 12-month planner kit. And I got it from Oriental Trading Company.